Before you hit your next upload, fix these 10 YouTube settings or watch your reach flatline. Settings 8 alone can unlock viewers in every different language. Let's start with two-step authentication. One phishing email equal channel gone. Let's head over to my account. On the top right corner, click on your profile icon, scroll down to manage Google account. On the left side, click on security. Then you're going to scroll down, two-step verification. You want to set this up right now. It's very important and make the process of monetization easy. When you apply for monetization, Google AdSense is going to need you to verify this. Most importantly, this is to secure your channel from hackers. You don't want to put the hard work in and lose your channel right when you start gaining momentum. So go ahead and set this up now, guys. Let's head on over to settings number 2. Branding watermark. You rely on viewers finding your subscribe button, but putting a subtle watermark on every frame is a 24/7 visual call to action. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go over to my channel, go into YouTube Studio, top right corner, YouTube Studio, lower left corner, customization. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Rising creator, please pay attention to this video. Don't miss any of it. Right here, you see me have my subscribe button. So whenever you're watching my video, you will see on the right corner, subscribe. It's an easy way for viewers to subscribe instead of have to go to the channel to go find the subscribe button. That's not only it. For you to get that set up, mine is already set up, so you will see upload. What you have to do is go over to Canva and set up that. It's gonna look something like this when you set it up. A subscribe button, a subscribe picture like this, and you save it on your computer and then you upload it. You want to set it up for your entire video. So right throughout the video, it's on the bottom right corner. It's an easy way for you to gain subscriber. If you need help setting up that image for your watermark branding, leave a comment down below and I will guide you through the process or create a video. But before we move on to settings number 3, I want to take you into my channel to show you why settings number 8 is so important. Let's head over to my content and I'm gonna go to my first video, which I only have 5 videos on this channel and a lot of short. My first video, I go into analytics. This video have 68 views. It only get 540 impression. I'm gonna go into a next video. I just want you guys to see what I'm talking about so you can know I'm bringing you live data. I'm not guessing. I'm gonna come into this next video. And if you look at this analytics, this only got 44 views, 1,900 reach, okay? Let me back out and go to a next video. I'm actually gonna go to this video right here. These are the first 3 videos that's on my channel. And the analytics on this 35 views, 231 reach. Now, my last video surprised me when I changed the settings. This video, I thought the thumbnail and title is strong, but to my audience, it don't seems to resonate. But check this out, guys. Just look at this. I want you to see this. 345 views. Again, 8 subscriber. 51,500 reach. This video is still getting impression push and the click-through rate is 0.5%. So it's telling me that a lot of things that the guru have said in the past to me go through the window, because this have 51.5 thousand views impression with a 0.5 click-through rate. So the packaging is not strong. The thumbnail and the title is not visually grabbing viewers. So guys, please stick around with me because trust me, this video is very important. But let's move on to settings number 3. A sub confirmation link. Let me show you how to set that up and explain how this helps you gain subscriber. Head over to my channel, top right corner, click on my profile icon, my channel. Let me pause this before it starts playing. Up at the top, you're going to copy your channel alter and you're going to open text doc, or in my case, I'm using Notes. Paste it in Notes. At the end of it, you're going to type $SUB_CONFIRMATION equal 1. Then you're going to save it. After you save it, I'm going to click on it and show you exactly what to do. It's going to open up a new page with my channel and there's going to be an automatic subscribe button that pop up. It's going to prompt a viewer to subscribe. If they like your content, they will either subscribe or they will bounce. Now, let me get back over to YouTube Studio and you're going to go into YouTube Studio. The bottom left corner, you're going to customization, and in profile, you're going to scroll down to add link, you add that link, and you're gonna be prompted to link a name. In my case, I put subscribe, and then you're gonna put the link right here and hit publish, so it's saved. After you've done that, you go to your channel. That link is gonna show up right here on your channel. Now you can put that link in your pinned comment, your description, other social media platform. It's an easy way for you to gain subscriber, and there is so much creators that are using this right now, just gaining subscriber overnight. Go ahead and set that up, guys. Let's move on to settings number 4. Channel audience. Marketing made for kids by accident, kill ads and comment. Let's fix that. Head over back to your YouTube studio, hit settings, channel, advanced settings, audience. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? No, you don't want to do that. Uploading a video by accident marked for kids, kill ads and comment, that kill reach. Mark no not made for kids to keep monetization and engagement alive, unless it's truly made for kids. Let's move on to settings number 5. Visibility. Let's jump right into YouTube Studio, settings, upload default, visibility. When you upload a video, you want to have your video set as unlisted, or you can set it as private. If you set it as private, you can't watch it and add a pin comment. When you set it as unlisted, you can watch it, add a pin comment, send a link to a friend or someone in your community to watch a video and give you feedback. You don't want to set it to public if you know you have to make changes or watch to make sure that your video is correct the way that you want it to be. No video is gonna ever be perfect, but you still have to make sure that it's okay in your eyes. So remember to set this settings to unlisted or private. Let's move on to the next settings. Settings number 6, community moderation. Pre-block spammy phrase to protect your viewers and CPM. Let's get right into YouTube Studio. Go to settings, community moderation. You're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. I don't know how to scroll down to the bottom. I always try, I can never figure it out. But here you have block words. So you can type in whatever word you don't want to show up in your comment, and YouTube and the algorithm is going to block that word. You can also block links. This is very important to protect your community. It's very important to protect your viewers. Go to your YouTube Studio and go into your community moderation and set this up. Type in all the words, the links that you don't want on your channel. Let's move over to settings number 7. Number 7, publish the subscription. Let's jump right into that. Go over to your YouTube Studio, content, click on any one of your videos. You're gonna scroll all the way down. It's show more, continue going down. Here we have allow auto embedding, publish the subscription feed, and notify subscriber. If you have a topic, a niche, and you post about that niche, and you're gonna upload a video that's not related to your niche and your audience, when you upload that video unlisted or private, you can go down here and you can uncheck that box. Mine is gray because this video is published, I can't change it. What this do, it basically help YouTube if you use the right keyword, hashtags and stuff like that in your video title, description and tags, help YouTube and algorithm send that video to the audience that you want it to reach. And that's not what your subscriber watch, or that's not what your subscriber used to. 90% of the time, most of your subscriber won't watch that video. So that video will die on arrival, won't get no reach. When you're uploading video that are out of your niche, you wanna hit not the subscriber, but most importantly, for you to get that video to reach the right audience, you want to make sure that you're installing the correct tags, keyword in your title and description, and get YouTube and the algorithm to send it to the right audience that are searching for that content. It's very important if you're on a topic and you're going to post off topic, do that. If you're a channel that posts whatever you choose, you don't need to do all of that. I post to just YouTube growth, so I don't need to worry about that box at all. Let's get over to the most important settings of this video. Settings number 8, automatic dubbing. Very important that you turn the settings on. Creators that turn the setting on has seen an increase of 127% in views. These settings translate your video from English to several different languages across the world. Remember, there's only a few percent of this world speak English. Every other country have different language. So imagine your video go to China and it translates to Chinese language. It go to Russia and it translates to Russian language. That's what auto dubbing do. You want to set that hub to get the reach. Now, if you check my screen and what I was showing you earlier, you will understand exactly what I was talking about. My previous video, I haven't got over 2,000 impressions, and this video right here has seen 51,000 plus impression. It shows after I turn the setting on, this is what happened. I don't turn all settings on at once. I want to see what settings work for me, because you can watch video and turn all the settings on, but you don't know what works and what don't work for you. So when I turn a setting on, I turn it on to see if it worked for me and my content. When I turn this setting on, my impression the first day, the first 8 hours, 10,700. The first 8 hours, 10,000 plus impression. The first day and 6 hours, I see 30,000 impression. I never saw that on any one of my other videos before. So I know that these settings work for me. Now I want to show you guys something. Hey, remember, my packaging is bad. It's 0.5. My impression is still counting as we speak doing this video right now. Let me scroll down and show you guys some. My impression, 49,700 from YouTube recommendation and your content. Views, 233. Suggestion, 60.3%. Browsing feature, 18.8%. So that shows that YouTube is recommending the video, and it can't be just to people that speak English, because I wouldn't get this much impression. So once that feature was rolled out to all creators and I tried it, this is what I'm seeing, and that's why it was so important that I can bring this to you guys and show it to you, so you guys can start using it and get the reach that you deserve. Now let me show you how to set that up. Let's go over to settings. You're gonna go to upload default, advanced settings, and you're going to scroll down. As you know, I can't scroll down because I don't know how to do that. Anyway, allow automatic dubbing. Manually review dub before publishing. What that means, you review the dub and you choose what you want, what language you want your video to go in. I would suggest have your video go to all language, where you can get more views, more reach, more impression, more subs, more all of it. Remember, your old video won't get pushed when you turn this on. It's just video after turning the settings on. So go ahead and turn the settings on, guys, because trust me, you're going to love it. And after you do it, let me know how much setting did you turn on. But I would advise try one setting per video so you can know what works for you. Let's move on to settings number 9. Settings number 9, channel keyword. If you're speaking on a topic and for your channel to be recommended and aligned with the viewers that you're trying to reach, you need to have the right keyword. You want to do niche or topic specific keyword and broad keyword. Let's jump into YouTube Studio. Go over to settings, channel, basic info, keywords. Now this is all my keywords. My channel is about YouTube growth and social media. So all my keyword is basically niche specific and broad. Not broad that align with different topic. It's still aligned with my topic, my niche. So whatever topic niche you're speaking on, you want to get niche specific keyword. What I do, I just go over to ChatGPT, screenshot, hey, this is what my channel is about. I need some keyword. I need niche specific, but I also need broad keyword. And once you prompt ChatGPT to do that, it will give you all the keyword that you need. You go through it, and if it aligns with your topic, then you can copy and paste your keyword in here and make sure that you hit save. It's very important if you do that, because that's the only way that your channel is going to reach the right audience and get you the views that you deserve. Remember, you're working very hard, so you want to get the reach. Do this right now. Let's move on to settings number 10. Settings number 10, end screen. YouTube love bend session. If you can keep a viewer watching multiple videos and stay on the platform for a long period of time, YouTube will recommend your content to more people. And here how you do that. You're gonna go into your YouTube Studio and you're gonna click on one of your video. And on the right side, you're gonna scroll down and you see end screen right here. Click on end screen. I already have something on this video because this video has already been published for a couple of days now. And you can add whatever element you want. You can do channel, playlist, video. You choose a video of your type. And at a certain point in the video, there will be a pop-up with the next video of your choice that encourage the viewer to go watch this video. And if they enjoy one video, there's a 99% chance that they will go and watch the other videos. So it's good to do that, and YouTube love that. So your channel will be pushed to more audience if you can keep viewers on the platform for a long period of time. And the most important part about all of this, you will also end up getting a subscriber, because viewers love to be engaged, entertained, have fun, and understand what they're getting from a creator like me or you. So, like I'm gonna say to you right now, if you enjoy this video, if this video bring any value to you, remember to smash that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on. I'm not gonna start my video with subscribe to my channel. I wanna give you value first before I move to ask you to subscribe. If I give you value, you know what to do. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.